Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to draw something on your videos in Capcut. So this feature can be found under the text menu. So if you go to text and swipe, you'll find the draw feature. And in here, you can basically just draw anything that you want on your videos. You can draw with a basic ink or pen. You can also use the texture using the texture brush. So for example, for the texture here, when you draw, it will become like that. Okay, I'm going to just use the basic one. Here you can also choose the type of brush that you want, the one with glow or the one with arrow or the dash line or chalk brush like this. So I'm going to just draw, for example, in here. Okay, I'm going to just adjust the size first. You can also adjust the hardness if you want. You can just draw it as you like. Like that, or you can also just write a smiley, draw a smiley face like that. So that's basically it. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.